Have you noticed that some of the world's wealthiest investors, central banks, and financial institutions are quietly increasing their holdings of gold and silver? What do they know that the average investor doesn't? In today's video, we're going to explore why gold and silver are attracting so much attention in 2026, and why many investors believe precious metals could play an important role in protecting wealth. But first, if you enjoy content about investing, personal finance, and building long-term wealth, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Over the past few years, we've seen rising government debt, persistent inflation concerns, geopolitical tensions, and uncertainty in financial markets. During periods like these, investors often look for assets that have historically held their value. That's where gold comes in. Gold has been considered a store of value for thousands of years. Unlike paper currencies, it cannot be printed by governments. Many investors view it as a form of financial insurance during uncertain times. But gold isn't the only metal attracting attention. Silver is also becoming increasingly popular. Silver has a unique advantage because it is both a precious metal and an industrial metal. It's used in solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, and many modern technologies. As demand for these industries grows, some analysts believe silver could benefit from both industrial demand and investment demand. Another reason investors are paying attention is central bank activity. Around the world, many central banks continue to hold significant gold reserves as part of their long-term strategy to diversify assets and reduce dependence on foreign currencies. This has led many individual investors to ask a simple question: if institutions continue to value gold, should I consider owning some as well? Of course, every investment has risks. Gold and silver prices can be volatile, and there are no guarantees that prices will rise. Precious metals should be viewed as part of a diversified portfolio rather than a get-rich-quick investment. The goal for many investors is not necessarily to generate huge short-term profits, but to preserve purchasing power and add diversification. So, is now the perfect time to buy gold and silver? The truth is that nobody can predict the future with certainty. However, understanding why experienced investors include precious metals in their portfolios can help you make more informed decisions. What do you think? Are gold and silver essential investments in 2026, or are there better opportunities elsewhere? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more investing content, and I'll see you in the next video.